So this morning, T-Sportline is teaming up with some of our clients, and today we're going to go ahead and enjoy an afternoon together, rallying in initially these 3 Cybertrucks, meeting up with a 4th one along the way, and we're heading to Cars and Chronos all the way in Walnut to go ahead and show off these trucks and share it within the community. Real quick, as you can see, we have this beautiful Nuys Dolphin Gray color dynamic PPF wrap. Over here we have the Nuys gloss black wrap, and at the end we have a brand new truck that just got delivered yesterday to one of our clients. It's still finished in stainless steel. She's going to decide what color she wants to wrap it, so stay tuned for that video. But for right now, let's hit the road with 3 trucks, meet up with the 4th, and have a wonderful day together.